Over time, sun, weather, and stress create wrinkles in our face, like etchings on a painting. Looking at these timeless faces inspires us. We just can't look away. It makes you wonder, what did he or she look like when they were young? At All Media Restoration, we are curious about the same thing. So let's find out through the magic of age regression technology. Let's start with her most prominent feature, her nose. There. That looks about right. Next, we need to add some youth to those peepers. Wow! Kinda looks like she's wearing a mask. Well, let's just quickly rough in all of her features, as well as adding a finishing touch to give her life. Why don't we really bring her to life, with a splash of color? All Media Restoration. Bringing your old memories to life.